Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out black rice water for the first time. And ever since I started using rice water a couple of years ago and making videos about it, people have been in my comment section suggesting me to use black rice water. But I never wanted to do it because black rice is expensive, okay? But I'm finally getting around to doing it today, and I'm going to be sharing with you my experience. So if you are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So normally when I make my rice water, I just use regular white rice that you can purchase from your local grocery store for a couple of dollars. But today I'm going to be using this organic forbidden rice, and I purchased this from Amazon. And a lot of you guys suggested to try out the black rice because it's more effective, it works faster, and of course it is more natural. So I'm going to briefly share with you how I make my rice water, and this is the same exact way I make my white rice water. So all I have to do is start by washing the rice off to clean it from any residue that it may have. And then I'm going to pour that excess water off of the rice. And now all you have to do is pour about 2 cups of water over the rice, and I make sure the water covers the rice. Stir that around and let it sit for at least 24 hours. It takes at least 24 hours for the rice to be well fermented, so I make sure that I leave it for at least 24 hours. After that, I'd like to put my rice water into some type of applicator, a jar, or a spray bottle, and then I will have my rice water ready to apply it to my hair. There are a few different type of ways that people make their rice water, but this is how I make mine, and this is how I've been doing it for the past year or so, and I really think that this is the quickest way, and I just like this way the best. So right away I noticed that the color of this rice water is completely different from the white rice water. It is very pigmented. It looks like a very darkish brown color, so I'm excited to try it out. Okay guys, so I'm going to be testing out the black rice water for the first time. This has actually been in the refrigerator for the past couple of days because I just hadn't gotten around to testing it out after I made it. So let's see how it smells. I don't smell anything. It doesn't smell bad at all, so all right, so my hair is freshly washed, and I'm just going to use this as a leave-in. All right. When I use rice water, I spray it all over my hair and rub it into my scalp as well. Alright, so when I use rice water as a leave-in, I will basically just leave this in my hair overnight, put my hair in like a little bun, or I will braid it or something like that, and then I will rinse it out the next day. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let this sit overnight, and I will be back to talk to you guys in the morning. So today is the next morning, so good morning everyone. And yeah, so I'm just gonna rinse this stuff out of my hair. Every time I put rice water on my hair just feels so like soft and like just luscious. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out of my hair, and I'm actually going to, you know, just keep this out for a week, just not refrigerate it, let it stay out for a week and see if it, you know, continues to smell, because some people were saying in my comment section, like, if you use a more natural form of rice, or if you use black rice, then it won't smell as bad. So I'll be the judge of that. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep using this for a couple of months to see if I see like a rapid improvement of my, you know, hair growth. Everybody always is like in my comment section saying, oh, your hair is already long, blah blah blah. I don't care, I want it longer. As you can see, my hair is curly and it's like bra strap length. And meanwhile, it's like to my tailbone when I stretch it out. But I want my hair to be long. Hey guys, I'm back, and it has been a week of me trying out the black rice water, and I don't have any complaints. I only used it, I think I used it 3 times this week as a leave-in treatment, and I don't have any complaints. I have been keeping this in the refrigerator for the past couple of days. It doesn't smell that bad. I left it out for a few days, and it doesn't smell bad. It still smells just like rice. It kind of smells like a black tea. That's how it smells. It smells like black tea. So it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't like smell funky or anything like that. I'm going to continue refrigerating this, and I'm just use it up until it's all gone. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!